Okay, now we're going to do some old final exam questions. Some of the question is using pictures. So for example, I can give you a graph. And then we need to find a domain and range. Okay, so the graph here we have 1 and 2 with an open circle, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 here, and connect this and go up like that. Okay, so if this is my graph, I need to find domain and range. So hopefully you remember domain is about what? Possible x values, very good. So we want to look at the smallest x to the greatest x. So x is left and right? So the smallest x look like here, which is what value? Or like some students like to label the point. So this point is like a -2 for x, y is 0. And this point is 3 for x and a -2 for y. So the smallest x look like it's going to be -2, right? So if -2 is my answer for the smallest x value, then the biggest x value will be going forever, right? So it's going to be infinitive. And should we use brackets or parentheses? Like, because it's an open circle, so the first one will be parentheses. And infinitive always come with parentheses. All right, and then for the range is what possible y value, right? So possible y value, we look at up and down for y values. The lowest y value look like here, which is y is -2, right? So also -2, okay. And then y keep going on forever, so it's going to be infinitive again. Look almost the same. So it's going to be, for this point, do we use brackets or parentheses? So we use brackets because it's a solid point, and then infinitive always come with parentheses. Okay, any question for this one? All right, so let's do another one also related to picture. And I'm going to give you a graph. And then you're going to need to find me where is it increasing, decreasing, constant, and maximum and minimum point. All right, so the graph we have, let's hit 1, 2, 3 here. And it go to 1 and 2 here. And then it go here, down one more. And then go on here. So this is my picture. So for graph behavior like this, we go from what direction to what direction? We go from left to right in terms of x, right? In terms of x value. So starting from the left is like flat, so it is going to be constant. Starting from the smallest x value is negative infinitive, always come with parentheses, and then stop at x equal to 0. So we're going to stop here, and then it looked like it pick up again at 3, sorry, I didn't mark it here. So it's going to be starting again from x equal to 3 to positive infinity. Alright, and from here, so we're going from x equal to 0 to x equal to 2 going up, so it's going to be increasing x equal to 0 to 2. And remember, for increasing, decreasing, and constants, we use parentheses, right? Because we cannot include those points. Some of them share the same points, right? And then starting from x equal to 2 is going down, so it's going to be decreasing. So starting from x equal to 2 to x equal to 3, this part is decreasing, and picking up from 3 to infinity is constant, right? All right, do we have a maximum point? Yes, it has a maximum point because we have a point going up and down, right? Like that, which is this point, and this particular point is x equal to 2 and then y equal to 0, right? Do we have a minimum point? So are these two minimum points? So it turned out that they are not minimum point, because for minimum point we have to go down and then go back up, right? So we don't have go down and back up. We have like constant and up and down and constant. So those two are not minimum points, so we're going to say none. Is that okay? So if you have questions, please let me know. Or you can ask your teacher today. Alright, so let's stop this video here.